Welcome back to Weeble S Detailing. My name is Tali. I'm one of the owners. And today, guys, we're gonna try something a little bit different. While scrolling on our Instagram page, which you should totally follow, we came across Adam Posh's bright, multicolored, foamed up BMW. Now, we didn't do any research, and this video isn't sponsored by Adam Posh's. In fact, we posted up an awesome picture, which we will show you guys, and they didn't even give us a like. We simply clicked on the picture, went on their website, and bought their 3-piece kit for about $24.99 plus shipping and tax. 9 days later, we received the product, and the plan was to try it out on my personal BMW X5M. Now, I wanna make something very, very clear. We didn't follow the directions the first go, so this is how it came out. This is how it's supposed to look. Now, this is the first time we do this type of video, so please excuse the fact that we didn't use our gimbal. We're gonna get better at this, we promise. All right. We're just winging it. MTM with the yellow. There's a lot of color on that one. I don't know. Jason just made a mess of himself. And Chris over there is just reading the ingredients or something. All right, let's go with the Amazon one. Oh man. I don't know, guys. We might have to go to detail school again.
Yeah, it
Smells good?
Yeah, it smells really good.
Jason, smell yours.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. How about the yellow one? Is it bananas?
Raspberry.
Strawberries. Strawberries?
This one's strawberry too.
It's strawberry, but it's yellow? What?
No, it smells like bubble gum.
I don't know, it's a little messy. Well, don't wear a white shirt, that's for sure. You're clean somehow.
These two feel the same, like they have a really nice weight.
I mean, the build quality of this looks awesome. The MTM, which is our daily, is our workhorse. And this one actually looks really nice. I like the color combination. Those beads brought to you by Turtle Wax. We accidentally got some on the van. And it looks like you need water to wipe it off. Whoops. Oh no. That joint is thick. It's like more of a baby blue. Yeah. Make the fan a little bit smaller. Okay.
Oh my lord.
That's not it.
You want to chip my paint, baby? Oh lord. We're having technical difficulties here. This thing has 2 settings. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so the yellow is more like a cream soda. Like the foam you get off of a root beer. And let's try the red, which I'm sure will be more like pink. Oh, that one smells so good. All right, I mean, it looks cool. And I think something happened with our MTM here. I think we might need to change that. I guess it's fun to have, but I don't know about actually using it all the time. We forgot to do this side. Whoopsie. So we just realized that the MJJC has a little thread inside. We're gonna check to see if it goes in there. Wow, that is clutch. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. MJJC, okay. All right, so we realized that we have to directly fit it in there. And that's what we did. All right, remember it's the first half, bro. All right. Wow. So huge difference. Very, very big difference. Yes.
So that's yellow.
Unsaturated colors here. Wow.
So what did we learn, guys? Well, for starters, always read the directions and follow them, or the same thing that happened to us will happen to you. You need to hook these puppies up directly to a foam cannon, or pour them in a foam cannon without diluting it. Now, is this something that a professional mobile detailer or a shop owner will use? Probably not. They smell great, and if used properly with the correct pressure washer and foam cannon, it is very, very thick. And remember, guys, my detailing family, detailing community, the detailer, the hobbyist, the DIY person, the professional. At the end of the day, a product like this is more for fun. It's for the experience. It's for you to be able to wash your personal vehicle, enjoy the smells, enjoy the sight of extremely bright colors, and take amazing pictures and put them up on the gram. So is it worth the 24 bucks? I say yes. It's a great experience. It's a great picture. It's good. It's good to have fun. All the products used in this episode will be linked in the description below. Until next time, guys, see you later.